Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, All About Me, we will learn how to write a diary. So, open up page number 17 and let's get started. First of all, let us read the diary given below. Let's see what is written in this diary. It was a holiday. I woke up early in the morning. I washed my face and brushed my teeth. Then I went downstairs. Mummy brought apples from the garden. I ate them with my breakfast. I also ate cereal. It was delicious. After eating breakfast, I played football in the garden with Hassan. Then we came inside and I taught Fluffy some jumping tricks. He made me laugh. It was time for lunch. I had orange juice. I also had a quarter of a really good sandwich. I then ate a pear. Then I went to the park with my dad. We took an umbrella with us because Mummy said it might rain. I ate an ice cream from the ice cream van before we went home. Before dinner, I played with my cars and banged on the xylophone. Dinner was chicken pasta. Yummy! It's time for bed now. In the text above, you saw the highlighted letters of the alphabet combine in different ways to make new words. Now, let's do an activity. What do you do on your holiday? Write about it on a loose sheet.